Hello, I'm Connie Cosio and I'm chef owner of Coni'Seafood. I'm making a shrimp green salsa ceviche. My dad taught me how to make ceviche when I was a little girl and I've been making it ever since. I like to use white corn for my tostaditos. A tostadito means just a mini tostada. I like to use ring cutters just so it can be a nice round circle. After we slice the corn tortillas into circles, we put it in the deep fryer and deep fry it in corn oil. You want to be flipping the tortillas around in the oil so that they're even cooked. After 5 minutes or so, you want to go ahead and remove them and set them aside. Next, we're going to make the green salsa. We take the blender with the jalapeños, salsa, lemon, and some water, and we blend it all together. After it's blended, you set it aside and it's ready to go till your ceviche is ready. Now we're ready to prepare our shrimp. You take the shrimp and you take off the shell. Peel the shrimp from the top so we can preserve the meat from the tail. After that, you grab a knife and you devein it, clean it, and you set it aside. You can leave the shrimp whole, no need to chop it. Now that our shrimp is ready, we can chop our vegetables. We peel the cucumber and then we chop it up. Cucumber skin makes a ceviche bitter, so I peel it off. Then I chop my tomatoes and onions in little bitty squares. My dad is the founder of the recipe. I was 12 years old when he started cooking in our backyard. And I love to eat. I'm a foodie, so obviously I wanted to learn so that I can eat. I learned my dad's ropes and here I am. Now I'm teaching you guys how to prepare a ceviche. Now we're ready to prepare our ceviche. In a bowl, we put the shrimp, red onions, lime juice, and salt. And we let it marinate for about 2 minutes or so. So it starts changing color, like a little bit white on the ends, and that's when you know that it's ready to mix in with the veggies. Then we add our green salsa, and we mix it all together. Now we're ready to put our ceviche into the tostaditos. I like to add 2 to 3 shrimps and a good amount of veggies. My ceviche has a perfect citrus and spice. I would describe my ceviche like mouth-watering just by the look of it. This is the perfect snack or appetizer for your next party. I hope you make this at home.
It's amazing.